doctor. I haven't seen him on TikTok lately. He has some really cool art. He put up a mural up here in the neighborhood. Nice mural. I actually saw when they painted the original mural, like about 15 years ago. And he painted it over with a brand new design. I got to see that too. That was really interesting. There's the artist that I met up here in the mall plaza. Snake Doctor. I feel pretty safe with all this gear on. When I've seen so many videos, like watching Moto Madness and all that stuff, micro-submitted video channels and things. But, I know one day, if I ever go off this bike, I'm gonna fucking, excuse my language, I'm gonna freaking regret it. It's like once you start going, you can't do nothing about it, you get that, you just have to deal with it. You have to deal with the consequences. Whatever you set yourself up for. So, one advice I have, if you're not prepared to what's going to happen to you when you hit the ground, don't even bother getting out here. You never know. You can start small like I did and get some experience as you go along and get used to everything, avoid risk, avoid danger, you just have fun. That's what I recommend. Most people, most mature adults, what they do anyway, is have a little fun. Excitement, add something to their life, you know, some kind of lifestyle. People travel and do all kinds of things in life. To me, it's just a little recreation. But I'm telling you, it's a lifestyle that grows on you. I have other ideas and plans I'd like to do on the motorcycle in the future. For one thing in particular, I do want to take some longer trips. I might have to wait till I get a different bike for that, but I want to take some longer trips because I can get myself the road for my bike. Start secondary roads, like 35 to 50 miles per hour roads. I want to ride to that was slippery. I want to ride to Moto America, Pittsburgh next year. I want to go to visit some of my friends that I met on YouTube, ride with them. But as far as making plans, I really don't like to make plans on my channel. A lot of times I want to channel people like, oh, I've been gone for a while, I'm back and I want to be doing this. And that's the last channel they filmed a video they make like, are you serious? They have big, nice big followings and everything, and they just stop making videos. And it's almost like, I don't want to say Murphy's Law, but everything, where if you make plans and they don't happen. I don't want to jinx myself. They're always making big plans on their channel and then they channel just stop. Like they just stop making videos. So me, I don't even make these plans really, or not really, like I'm gonna do this with my channel or do that with my channel. Sometimes I do, like the one time I did make a plan, I made a plan on building the different front wheel for the Hawk. I even bought the hub, which I think is the right hub. Hard to find, but I know where to find them pretty easily and low cost. I can actually make money off of selling those hubs. People who are really looking for them, like on the chats, they're selling for like 70 bucks. I can sell them at that cost and still make money. They're hard to find, but if you do some research, you can find them. I'm gonna make that one of my side hustles and building wheels one day. But like I said, I made that plan to do that, and then it never came to fruition. You know, it's going to, regardless, because when I start something, I usually finish it, but you know, just it's gonna be a process. Let you guys know I didn't forget about that. cruising. I'm not even thinking of where I'm going. I'm just floating. This is when they practice for the. They practice to. Hey, is that my buddy? You told me you got an e-bike. That ain't him, I don't think. I saw him the other day. I went down to the pizza place I used to work at. I took you guys that I worked before. And I was like, let me in. He was like, I don't know you. I was like, hey, fool, it's me. He was like, oh. I didn't recognize. And then he got back to me. He was like, I know who you was. I just messing with you. I'm like, yeah, right. He left me. I was gonna see if that was him. It could be. We messing around up here. This is cop taking lunch at. Lunchtime, baby. Hey, we got flying bags. I need to find out who does this place. But this on my list of contacts. This place. I like being self-employed. Like I said, I like to have a job where I can, be around some other people, maybe make some friends. I have so much free time. Spend it with my family. I really enjoy a lot of people relaxation and personal things. When I'm getting lazy on my work, it affects my income. Need some motivation. I would like to stand up when I come back here for some reason. Maybe because all these potholes. I'm standing up now. Oh, look at all that building. Let's see if I can get some information.